So let me unbox the all new Galaxy Buds 3 Pro. So here we got the box. Let's tear it. Okay, so it is packed quite nicely. So let's open the box. Okay, here we got the box. I think Samsung has really packed it well. Okay, let's see what is there inside. Okay, so Samsung has got really, I think they packed it amazingly. So here we got the bill. Okay, let's set it aside. So let's now look into the main thing, that is the buds itself. Okay, so here we got the Buds 3 Pro box. Let's open it and see what are the contents. Okay, so let's first say what other things we get here. So we got the type C to type C cable, then ear tips for different sizes. Now we got the main unit. Okay, so I have got it in the silver color. You can see the blazing lights, it's amazing. So you can see the case is really good, its quality is also quite good. The designs are quite different from the Buds 2 Pro, and I think I like the design actually. So it was the first impressions or unboxings of the Galaxy Buds 3 Pro, and in the next week I would try to post my first impressions video about how it sounded and whether it is worth the price or not. So be tuned and wait for the next video. Thanks.